In the heart of Italy, a young general named Napoleon Bonaparte was about to make his mark on history. It was the year 1796, and Napoleon was leading the French army in a campaign against the Austrians. Napoleon was a brilliant strategist and tactician, and he had quickly gained a reputation for his daring and innovative military tactics. But now, he faced his greatest challenge yet, the Battle of Rivoli, the Austrian offensive. In December 1796, the Austrian army launched a massive offensive against the French in Italy. The Austrians outnumbered the French by more than 2-1, and they were confident of victory. Napoleon knew that he couldn't match the Austrians in a straight-up fight, so he devised a daring plan. He divided his army into 2 groups and sent them on separate routes. The goal was to surprise the Austrians and attack them from different directions. The Battle of Rivoli. On January 14, 1797, the 2 French armies converged on the Austrian forces at Rivoli. The Austrians were caught completely off guard, and they were quickly routed. Napoleon's victory at Rivoli was one of his most decisive. He inflicted heavy casualties on the Austrians and forced them to retreat. The battle also led to the surrender of Mantua, a key Austrian stronghold in Italy. The aftermath of Rivoli. The Battle of Rivoli was a turning point in the French campaign in Italy. It led to the collapse of Austrian resistance and the French conquest of northern Italy. Napoleon's victory at Rivoli also made him a national hero in France. He was promoted to general-in-chief and given command of all French forces in Italy. Napoleon's legacy. Napoleon's Italian campaign was a remarkable achievement. He defeated a much larger Austrian army and conquered a significant portion of Italy. His victory at Rivoli was one of the most important battles of his career. Napoleon's Italian campaign also had a profound impact on European history. It led to the collapse of the Holy Roman Empire and the rise of France as the dominant power in Europe. The Battle of Rivoli was a watershed moment in Napoleon's career and in the history of Europe. It was a testament to Napoleon's brilliance as a military strategist and his leadership qualities. The battle also led to the French conquest of northern Italy and the collapse of the Holy Roman Empire. The battle took place on January 14-15, 1797. The French army was commanded by Napoleon Bonaparte and numbered approximately 40,000 men. The Austrian army was commanded by Field Marshal Joseph Alvinci and numbered approximately 80,000 men. The French suffered approximately 10,000 casualties. The Austrians suffered approximately 20,000 casualties. The Battle of Rivoli is considered to be one of Napoleon's greatest victories. It was a testament to his skills as a military commander and his ability to think strategically. The battle also had a significant impact on the course of the French campaign in Italy and the history of Europe.